think the most important thing to know about loving your body, especially here in the Tone It Up community, is that it doesn't matter the size, the shape, the color, and just knowing that we're here together and that we love you. We love everybody and every body.
It's just a time for all of us to reflect and acknowledge how beautiful our bodies are and appreciate them and show them love every single day.
If you're new to Tone It Up, welcome. Your life is about to just be full of love and support, so dive in and change the world with us.
We are all on this journey to find balance and to love ourselves as we genuinely are. And I think this community, being as accepting as it is allowing us to do just that.
I want to remind you that your body is beautiful. Every curve, your shape, every muscle in your body is unique to you.
I'm 5'11", I have curves, but I also have muscles, and it takes me through every day of my life and all the different things that I love.
So I show my body love by making sure that I'm able to do the things that I love to do, for example, dancing.
This is my skin, this is who I am. And I am me unapologetically, so I love my curves. I'm just gonna love me and own it.
I like to think of my stretch marks and my surgery marks as stripes of motherhood. So embrace them, because this is the new you, and the new you is so magical, so powerful.
We want you to come exactly who you are. We're so excited that you're going to be joining us, and this is going to be one of the greatest transformational series that you could imagine.
You are walking into a community of brand new girlfriends. We are here to support you, to lift you up, to Wine Not Wednesday with you, and to work out and sweat together. We're gonna become the best versions of ourselves together. We got you.
I want you to know that you are so, so beautiful and breathtaking exactly as you are. You are beautiful right now, you're beautiful tomorrow, you're beautiful in the past, and whatever it is that you're wishing for, you can achieve it because your body is capable of it. And whatever love that you give your body, it loves you right back.
Isn't that right?